A viral video shows a creepy eye watching through the hole in a workshop wall. I have to admit, I think it's a human eye, but it doesn't blink when it has the flashlight directly pointed at it. It blinks after a few seconds. Now, the bizarre video clip recorded at a workshop in Mexico has created quite a stir on social media this month. Originally posted on TikTok by user Viridiana Koa, the footage focuses on a strange hole in the wall of a mechanical workshop situated on Ramon Corona Street in the Mexican city of Saltillo. The story goes that one of the workers had been going through their daily business when they suddenly felt a very strong sensation of being watched by someone nearby. Upon investigating, it turned out that the culprit was watching them from a small hole in the window. In the clip, a worker can be seen shining a torch at the hole and illuminating what appears to be a creepy eye that is just sitting there staring out at the room from behind the wall. What's peculiarly weird is that the small space occupied by whoever or whatever is there, coupled with the fact that they don't seem to squint or react in any way to the light shining directly at them. The workers followed up the video by later explaining that there was no actual access to the space behind the wall and that they went back there afterwards. The eye was nowhere to be seen. Some social media users have suggested that the eye could have belonged to a cat or an owl, while others have dismissed the whole thing as being something like a prank. Whatever the case, it's certainly proven popular with over 26 million views to date. And you can see the video here in the article. This is by El Tempio on Unexplained Mysteries. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.